Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this lead generation platform, which is PhantomBuster review. So let's dive into it. Talking about PhantomBuster is powerful automation tools that help you collect lead, scrap data, and run outreach campaign on a platform like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. It's great for marketers and sales teams who want to save time and boost productivity through smart automation and integrations with CRMs and Google Sheet. However, it can feel a bit technical to set up, and the pricing climbs as you scale your automation. There is also a small risk of account restriction when using it heavily on social media platform. Overall, PhantomBuster is perfect for experienced users who want deep automation power, but beginner might find it slightly complex at first. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.